I've always loved trains. In fact, if my career in theoretical physics hadn't worked out, my backup plan was to become a professional ticket taker. Or hobo. And when I figured out that trains allowed me to prove Newton's first law, an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, I felt like Neil Armstrong on the moon, alone and happy.
Kelly, dinner's ready.
I don't care how dim-witted you are, scientific principles have to make you smile. Of course, nobody I knew in East Texas in 1989 cared about Newtonian